Hello, AutomagzMN friends. This time we will talk about a car that is hot on the market, namely the 2025 XC90 Recharge plug-in hybrid. This car is not only cool from the outside, but is also full of advanced features that make you want to go straight to the Volvo showroom. First of all, the design is really elegant. From the exterior to the interior, everything looks luxurious and modern. But it's not just about looks. The XC90 Recharge also has performance that's no joke. With a 455 GP hybrid engine, this car can give you lots of power, but is still environmentally friendly. Well, for those of you who care about our Earth, this car also offers a range of 35 miles, using only electric power. That means for daily trips, you don't need to fill up with petrol at all. Sophisticated, right? However, there is one thing you need to pay attention to. The infotainment screen is a bit small, so it might take some time to get used to it. However, that doesn't reduce the fact that the XC90 Recharge deserves the title as one of the best luxury hybrid SUVs on the market. So, for those of you who are looking for a new car that is cool, comfortable, and environmentally friendly, this 2025 XC90 Recharge plug-in hybrid could be the right choice. So, interested in a test drive? See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to AutomagzMN for the newest and coolest automotive info.